Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn about a new chapter, the topic about introduction to paint. Here in this chapter we are going to learn about working on MS Paint on a computer. Here we have a short story that a character whose name is called Daisy and she loves to draw and color. So for drawing, she used pencils and colors to draw and coloring. You can draw and color on computer. How? You can use Paint to draw and color on a computer. Paint is a software. It has many tools that helps you to draw and color. So, Paint is a software on a computer and it has many tools inside which helps us to draw and color. Let's see some steps which we have to be followed to open a computer to open a paint on a computer. So for opening a paint, we have to follow these steps. I hope you can see the steps here. First is to click on the start button. In a desktop, you can see the start button in the corner. In the left corner of your desktop, you can see the start button. So from that, clicking on to that, you'll get all program option on the bottom of the menu, and from clicking on all programs, you'll get an options of accessories, and you have to choose accessories, and then you can able to see the software called Paint. So when you click onto the Paint, the window, this kind of window will be open. Okay, so this is an old version in our computers. So these updated versions have different features. The different types of window will looks different. Okay, so here this is an old versions which you can able to see the window of a Paint on a computer, which has many tools, pencils, rough erasers, and colors, shapes. So lines. Which all the tools here. These are known as the tools which help us to draw and paint in a computer. Okay. Now let me present a video regarding the paint, or we're going to open it and how we're going to use the tools for painting and coloring. Let's see to this video.
E-Learning Studio.
Fun with
MS
MS Paint.
Starting
MS Paint.
Step
Step
1.
1.
Click
Click
on
on
Start
Start
button.
button.
Step
Step
2.
2.
Click on All Programs.
Programs.
Step
Step
3.
3.
Click
Click
on
on
Accessories. Step
Step
4.
4.
Click
Click
on
on
Paint. The
The
Paint
paint
window appears on the screen.
screen.
Parts
Parts
of
of
the
the
Paint
paint
window. 1.
1.
Quick
Quick
Access
access
Toolbar. It
It
has
has
buttons for
buttons for
common
common
tasks.
tasks.
2.
2.
Title
Title
bar.
bar.
It
It
shows
shows
the name of your
drawing
drawing and program.
program.
3.
3.
Paint
Paint
button.
button.
It
It
has
has
different options to work in paint. 4.
4.
Tab.
Tab.
It has different tools arranged in different groups. 5.
5.
Group. It has many tools for a related task. 6.
6.
Ribbon. It has different tabs and groups. 7. Drawing area. It is the white blank space for drawing and coloring. Working with MS Paint. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Oval tool. Step 3. Choose thickness. Step 4. Select a color. Step 5. Now come to the drawing area. Press and hold down the left button of the mouse and drag the mouse. Step
Step
6.
6.
Release the
Release the
mouse
mouse
button
button
when
when
an
an
oval
oval
is
is
made.
made.
Step
Step
7.
7.
Now
Now
click
click
on
on
Fill with
Fill with
Color
Color
tool.
tool.
Step
Step
8.
8.
Select a
Select a
color.
color.
Step
Step
9.
9.
In the
In the
drawing
drawing
area,
area,
click
click
inside the
inside the
shape
shape
to
to
fill
fill
it
it
with
with
your
your
chosen
chosen
color.
color.
Please
Please
subscribe this
subscribe this
channel.
channel.
So, in this video, you have seen that how to choose color and how to choose a shape and how to draw in a drawing area. Okay, let me So here you can see the window of MS Paint in the updated versions. So this is the window of Paint, so which is given in your textbook also. Here you can see the Paint button, and this is the title bar, and this whole thing is a ribbon, and this is a drawing area. So from this you can see to the tools and how we're going to draw and how we're going to paint and how we're going to select and drag up shapes or the lines, whatever it may be. So here you have the shapes here. From that you can choose any shapes using the arrow mark and select it, and then if you come to the drawing area you can see to the plus symbol from, and then you can just keep on the plus symbol by clicking on to the left mouse and then drag it slowly, and then you can click on to this the paint container to the front. You, when you choose that and come here and select the color, and then come to the drawing area where you expand drag and drawn the shapes, keep on to that and just click enter, you big your shapes gets colored. Okay, so try this if you have a computer in your home, and let's see how we're going to save a picture. For this also, we have to follow some steps. The first thing, click onto the paint button. Here we have the file, the button is known as a paint button, and click on to the save options. Here you can see the save options. So the save as a dialog box appears. If you click on to the save, you will get a dialog box. From that you have to type a file name for the picture in the file name box. So if you you should write I have drawn the Christmas tree, so I'm going to save my drawing in the name of a Christmas tree. So I'm just enter the name in a dialog box, and then I'm just clicking again on the save button to save the picture which have been drawn on a MS Paint. Okay, and then opening a saved pictures. Just now we have seen how to save, and here we're going to see how to open a saved picture in a computer. See, here also you have some steps to be followed. To open a saved picture, follow these steps. Here you can see the open options under the paint button. First thing you have to click on to the file button, and then the second you see here you can see the open option. So click on to the open option, click to select a file you want to open. The same the desktop, downloads, all these things will be appear on the side. So from that you have to choose where you have saved the images, and then click on to the open button to open the file. You have to select the name, whatever I have just say that I've saved my pictures as a Christmas tree. So I just want to open the Christmas tree image. For that, I have to go to File, and then I have to click on Open. The dialog box will, the screen will apply. On the corner, I have saved the picture in a desktop, means the device I have chosen, the desktop. So the from that, I'm just clicking and trying to open my pic, Christmas tree drawing pictures. Okay, so here, if I want to make any changes in a picture, means if I want to change or if I want to add some more diagrams into it, here you can see we have done just a tree here. If I want to add some decorations here, so and then here I'm going to have some changes, means I'm creating some walls or like Christmas tree decorations, and then I've made some changes. So again I have to give a save. See, you can make changes to your pictures. So after making a changes, remember to click on save. So once if you click a save button alone, your image will get saved in a same place. Okay, otherwise if I made decoration changes, so I forgot to click on save option, so my image means my changes, the decoration which I've made have been uh, missed. Okay, the old image only will be saved, which I saved already. If I want to make changes, I have to click on to the option save, otherwise the picture will disappear. Okay, and then closing on the pictures, it's very a simple thing. Here you have only two steps, that from the menu you can uh, select that. After you have finished the drawing, you must close the paint. So how you want to close the paint, you have to follow these two steps. The first thing, the file paint button, and then you can see to this bottom of the menu. Here you can see the exit options. So clicking on to the exit options, you will get out of the MS Paint options. Okay, and thank you for listening to this video. I hope this video will be very useful for you for your better learning. Try Paint on your computer. If you have computer, please do try to that, and enjoy the day. Have a nice day. Okay, thank you for listening. Thank you so much.